Welcome back to a Dollar Tree household haul. I'm saving the more fun, makeup-y finds, all the fun stuff for another haul, so please stay tuned. Today I got a lot of repeat purchases, so quickly we're going to go through them. I got some foil sheets. You get 30 in here. I love these for lining pans and leftovers. Handles, bags from Good Sense. Love these, the vanilla scented. I got another pack of these are 39-gallon bags, but you only get 5 of them. But I'm getting ready to do a purge in the house again, where a huge declutter and lots of stuff is going to make its way into donation. Because I've just been a declutter bug lately. And I got some of these 40 count, 15 liter, 4-gallon garbage bags. I had to take the blue. I didn't want blue, but that's the only one they had today. I got 140 count custom paper towels, 3 of the strong and soft bath tissues. Bought 3 of those. The Scotty tissues, I got them in like the lavender box, and there's 140 count here. I picked up a 30 pack of paper plates. I picked up another 6 pack of the Scrub Buddy nail guard sponges. I love these. Today I picked up a new item that I never pick up from there, but it's a dish cleaner. And I got this for, well, I'll just show you. I picked these mason jar cups up from Pioneer Woman at Walmart. And I'm thinking that will aid in cleaning the inside of those. So that's why I picked that up. Got my scent booster, my favorite one. It's in the fresh scent, and these are in 10.5 ounce packaging now, and not as quite as big as the 15 ounces we were getting, but that's okay. And I actually am really short. I'm only 5'1". Today I could not reach my laundry detergent that I get from LA's Totally Awesome, the 2-in-1. So I grabbed the Spring Magic Scent Fab detergent gel pods. And there's 10 in here, so I picked up 2 of these because I typically use 2 when I do loads of laundry anyways. So I picked up 2 of those. I got Palmolive, Lavender and Lime, the Radiant and Fresh Clean Dish Liquid. Got that. I picked up a Renews It Blissful Apple and Cinnamon air freshener. And this is for the bathroom. I like these for the bathroom. They work great in small spaces, so that's why I picked it up for the bathroom. And last house cleaning item I picked up is the Comet Antibacterial Spray Cleaner. And this cuts through grease and grime. And I only use antibacterial kind of cleaners in the kitchen and around the house actually too, to spray down surfaces that we touch often. So this is like a one and all kind of thing. And it's been a while since I've been able to catch a antibacterial cleaner on the shelf. So I picked up 1 of these today because I do like the Spick and Span one a lot. So I'm holding out on getting one of those. Luckily I bought a bunch of cleaners and things like that. I have a whole cabinet full. That's also why you don't see me buy a lot of cleaner kind of stuff, because I have like a small stockpile of stuff like that. So when you do see me, it's just to add like 1 bag or something like that to my pile. So that's all for the household repeat purchases. I hope you enjoyed the haul. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree hauls. I guarantee you they're coming, so don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment, and ring the bell if you haven't already. So thank you so much for watching.